Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar. Today we want to look at a quick tutorial on how to change chords. If you've checked my beginners tutorial series, I teach you how to play the chords, and I through my journey, one thing I realized was that when you are beginning, you are eager to be able to change the chords so quickly, like from G to D, then to C, to D, then back to G, to D, then to C, then to D. But it's not that straightforward. What if is the first time you are playing these chords? I'm actually trying to play different variations of the chord progressions, like adding some source to and others. So if I go to A, like let's say 1 6 4 5, one thing, so there are different variations, so I can play it here, but these are just major chords and minor chords, that like the root ones. But what about the different ones that kind of add some color to the sound? So like this, then I can play the F minor 7. Is it F sharp minor 7? Like this. Instead of playing this, I can play this. I may not put it on the screen, but this is not for that tutorial. This tutorial is not for this, but I'm trying to let you understand that I'm also learning new chords, and I don't find it quick to change as I am used to the other major chords. So you see, I'm now going to position my fingers. So I would like to teach how you exercise yourself in your chord changing, chord switching. So first of all, be able to go slowly. No need to move so fast. So if you can use a metronome, use use a very low beat per minute. So let's use the G, C, and D. Since it's easy, I'm going to use just the 1 4 5 G, C, and 5 and D. Sorry. So first of all, maybe you play your G like this, whatever way that works for you. But I like this way. Then you are now moving to C. So just move one by one. 1 2 3. Then D, 1 2 3. Back to G, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Then you start getting the momentum. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Let's go slower a little bit. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yeah, so just like that, you'll be able to switch effectively, and after practicing for maybe a week, I know that if you are consistent enough, you'll be able to get along with this chord switching easily without any difficulty. By the time you realize you are just playing the chord without even looking at it. thank you. This is just for beginners, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and if you know someone that will be interested in this video, kindly consider sharing. And thank you for watching my videos. See you next time, and don't forget, comments in the section. I'll be interested to know, I'm interested in finding out my audience, where you're coming from, and the kind of songs that you would like me to teach, and kindly suggest in the comment section. Thank you, and see you next time.